weekend is here. Well, I already have, I got a 2-week weekend, but, I had a 2-week break, but I just spent one of my weeks, so, next week is going to be a good week, so, and then you guys are probably like, what are you doing in Adopt Me right now? I'm going to start building my own house, because I got to do that. By the way, this one is really loud, so, and anyways, I'm going to be the parent. Alright, let's see if I can catch it in. I got That's my check. Oh my god. No, I need that too. You can sell some stuff though. I'm gonna rebuild this. I'm a building master too. Not GPS. Do I have anything that I can actually reclaim? Okay, bet. That's what my pet was a new accessory. Okay. Okay, here we go. Taking this the best. Bro, what's the new accessory and save it and help it? Okay, here we go. Spell pizza. Okay, spell pizza. I gotta save it as an outfit. Okay, here we go. Oh, I get the cash or check. Oh, alright. It's time to sell the bathroom. Even though I don't know how much I can sell it for. Bro, I need to remodel my house. Oh, come on. There ain't nothing else for me to... So I still got some more stuff in here. No, here. I'm not going out of my house just to get something in. Sorry, Windows, do not need you. Stop trying to... I'm in edit mode, so I'm in edit mode in the game right now. My Windows guys will work something yourself. Okay, no, I don't care if they work something. We don't even have a window. We don't have anything at home. We don't even have that much money. Oh, better think of a new bed. A big improvement. You know what? That's not even no improvement, but still, it's good. What is this? Bro, ceiling lights. Okay. That just automatically came out of nowhere. Okay, well, anyway. Table. What the? That's not supposed to be no table? Oh, I never said it was gonna be perfect. Laptop. Oh, dang. Okay. A TV. Damn. Okay, damn. Okay. No. Dang, I did not need my TV facing straight at me. That chair. Bro. I can't get up the main chair. Oh. Damn! All that stuff I didn't know. And the title. Yo, I still need my thing. There we go. Alright everybody, thank you guys for watching this video. And I hope you enjoyed it very much.